Hello everyone. So let's discuss about physical stabilization of the soil using cement. I'm Chitra CJ taking you ground improvement techniques. So physical stabilization in this technique more than two or three soil are blended to improve the physical properties of weak soil. So in quite often we are adding additives like cement, lime, bitumen and fly ash to the soil to alter the property of the soil. So let's see. Cement stabilization. It is the most commonly used method for road construction, but for clays, this method is not adopted because it is difficult to pulverize the clay. And next is it is mainly used for well-graded sand and gravel mixtures passing through 200 sieve. Next is the quantity of the cement can be determined by trial and error method in lab and the minimum strength required is 3.5 Newton per square after 7-day cube strength. Next is compaction to be completed within 2 hours after mixing this mixture with the water. There are two methods by which we can stabilize the soil or we can mix the cement to the soil. First is we can first mix the soil and the cement and then add the water. After that, we can spread it and compact it using rollers. And in the second method, that is mix in place method, we are first pulverizing the soil and then cement is spreaded over it and then water is sprinkled in layers, again remixed and then compacted using rollers. So let's see what is happening in soil cement mixture. So the soil, cement, water reacts together and the cement and water reaction form cementitious calcium silicate and aluminate and they bind the soil particles together. And the hydration causes the release of calcium hydroxide, silicate lime that react with the component of the soil and this hydration is independent of the type of soil and this causes the stabilization of the soil. So let's see what is the percentage of cement that is to be added for different type of soil. First is normal soil mixed with cement. It consists of 5 to 14 percentage of cement by volume and the amount is sufficient to produce a hard surface and water can be sufficiently added for required hydration and workability. It is weather resistant, strong, and used for stabilizing sandy and other low plasticity soil. And next is when the plastic soil is mixed with cement, it consists of 5 to 14 percentage of cement by volume and it has more water compared to that of normal soil and it can be used for waterproofing the lining of canals and steep slopes to prevent the water erosions. So in the figure, you can see we are pulverizing the soil using our rotatory equipment and spreading the cement ahead of the machine. So this is the process used for mixing the soil with the cement. So here you can see again we are altering the soil particle. Then this is the final result that we are obtaining after mixing the soil with the cement. So this is the result of soil stabilization using the cement. Thank you.